Welcome to Kathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Kathy and I garden in Zone 6A. Today we are going to talk about how some bees inadvertently help other bees. These are honeybees on Asclepias tuberosa butterfly weed. Typically, bees seem to prefer flowers they can easily access for the pollen and/or nectar the plant has to offer. This bombus bumblebee is enjoying a tasty treat on an Eryngium blue sea holly. I can't identify the smaller bees buzzing around, but this plant is frequented by mason bees, leafcutter bees, sweat bees, and small carpenter bees, just to name a few. And this bumblebee fell asleep on top of the wild bergamot bee balm while having his evening meal. Larger bees, hummingbird moths, and butterflies all have a lengthy proboscis which can easily reach into long tubular flowers that smaller bees can't reach. For example, here's a genitol phlox providing nectar for a tiger swallowtail butterfly and a clear-wing hummingbird moth. Hummingbirds have both long beaks and tongues, which enable them to reach the nectar in long tubular flowers like this firecracker plant. So, how do the smaller bees obtain their nectar and pollen from long tubular flowers? Well, nature has an answer for that. Larger bees have a stronger proboscis which allows them to cut through the walls of a tubular flower, such as this Anis hyssop agastaki. They cut down to the base, allowing access to the food they are after. Watch these two bees perform their magic. You can see how easily the bumblebee slits open the flower to get to the nectar. In order to access the food tubular flowers have to offer, nature has taught the smaller bees to look for slits made by the larger bees at or near the base of a tubular flower. This little honeybee found the previously made slit on this firecracker plant. The next time you're out walking in your yard, take a close look at the tubular flowers in your garden and see if you can find any slits made in them by larger bees, like the slits in the flowers of this firecracker plant. I hope you learned something new about bees in this short video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and enjoy your garden.